Hello, thank you for joining me today. I'm Amanda, founder of Inspiring Inkin. Welcome to my craft room and welcome to a very slightly different video today. No crafting, but lots of new products for you to see. And I want to talk to you about a special joining offer that Stampin' Up is running from the 3rd of January 2019 to the end of March 2019. Now, whenever you hear me talking about Stampin' Up, I'm always saying, you know, it was the best decision I made to join. And joining Stampin' Up at any time of the year is a great deal. For £99 you'll receive £130 worth of products of your choice. It's a great deal. But during celebration you can join for £99 as always, but you get £170 worth of products. Yeah, I'm actually going to put that on the screen, £170. It's a crazy, amazing deal. But if this craft tote has caught your eye, if you join for £125, you get the craft tote and your £170 worth of products. So, okay, or why would you want to join Stampin' Up? Well, who wouldn't want to craft all day for a living? It's a brilliant job. It's my full-time job. You can join just to get the discount for your own products. You can sell to family and friends. You can run classes. You can just sell online. You can do Stampin' Up however you want to. In order to join, you need a team leader, and I would love you to join my team. We have a really active team of Inspiring Inkies. We have in-person events, we have online events, Facebook groups. I do training both in person, I do coaching on the phone, via emails and video conferencing, and also we craft and learn together. So I actually run training that's online, but I send out craft packets so you can join in from wherever you are. We have Stampin' Up events. They're amazing. They're held in April and November. And you will get discount on all your products. Now, I know that you're probably thinking, wow, this is great. This is a really good idea. How do I find out more information? Well, if you email me, amanda@inspiringinkin.com, or pop over to my blog, www.inspiringinkin.com, and send me a message. I'll be really happy to answer your questions, you know, on a call or via email, however works best for you. I do have to say that you can only join my team though if you are resident in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, or the Netherlands. I'm afraid, I know I have many subscribers all around the world, but I'm afraid only Stampin' Up in Europe in those 5 countries. So, let me show you the tote because this bag is just amazing. So it's a really heavy duty canvas, and you can see, I'm going to stand up. I'm hoping that the camera's not going to chop my head off, but let me just move the chair out of the way. So you've got really good sturdy handles, but you can see these little D-rings here. There is a shoulder strap. Then at the front, you've got some pockets, and they hold, perfectly designed to hold punches. Now, I didn't mention this before, but everything that you're going to see in this bag is new product, and it all adds up to £170. So it just gives you the kind of opportunity to see what you could get if you join my team. So, 2 new punches. Then we've got this little zip section here. I am going to turn the camera around and show you kind of close up the inside, but you've got these removable panels here, so it means that they're perfectly sized for putting stamps and various things in. You've got internal pockets as well. Here's a quick sneak peek of 3 new stamp sets. And in this centre panel, I've got catalogues and cardstock in here, but the trimmer will fit in there as well. So if you are crafting on the go, or just want somewhere to be able to, you know, contain the projects that you're working on right now, this bag is awesome. And like I say, it's a £26 add-on to the joining offer. So let me turn the camera around and I will show you all of these products in close-up. So here is the tote bag. It's about 16 inches wide, 18 inches wide, and about 6 inches deep. I'll put it on the grid paper because this tablecloth's blue and this is blue. So you've got a lovely zip pocket here. Now, as I said before, here are 2 punches. And inside here I have got some stamp sets. So let me turn this way. So I'm hoping that the camera's going to be able to pick up. So you've got like internal pockets and then you've got these bigger pockets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these things out and then show you them one by one. Let me pull all of these things out and then you can actually see the pockets a bit better. So these sections here are all Velcroed. So you've got small panels and larger panels. It's got a really lovely white clean kind of lining and additional pockets there. So these longer panels give you the opportunity to put things like catalogues, excuse me, in there. A trimmer will fit in there easily. So you've got different sections and then obviously you can pop those sections in there as well. You've got these lovely D-rings and there is a shoulder strap if you prefer using the shoulder strap. And then on the back you've got a really good size zip pocket as well. So as I said earlier, fabulous crafting tote. So let me just put this to one side and show you these goodies that I've got in the tote. So I've got 2 packs of cardstock in there. I've got 2 packs of designer series paper. Now let me just move those. So the first one, this is called Gingham Gala, and it's designed to go with the butterflies that you might have seen a moment ago. It's really pretty. It's got these smaller checks and then the bigger checks. So it's brilliant for lots of different paper crafting. I love the colours, really pretty. Then we've got this pack. Now these are a few of the sheets. This is from our classic garage suite. Really lovely stamp set, which you will see in a minute. So that's another pack. So that's 2 packs of paper, 2 packs of card, 2 packs of patterned paper, 2 punches. So this is a bundle. This is called Butterfly Gala. And you'll be able to see that all of the stamps, the butterflies, are together. So you stamp them together and then punch them out together. I'm so excited that we've got butterfly punches in. So that's another set. Oh, then we've got this Flowering Desert. This is such a cool cactus stamp set. And you might be thinking, why would I want to use cactus? Well, seriously. You'll see some of the cards and things that I've been making. You're going to love it. It's a great stamp set. Then you've seen this punch, but this is the matching stamp set called Piece of Cake. And it's so pretty. The fonts are really beautiful. There's a lovely happy birthday. My new favourite sentiment is, who cares what the question is? Cake is the answer. I think that's brilliant. But you've got all occasions. So you've got weddings and birthday cakes. You've got a Mr. and Mrs. there as well, and candles and things. It's a really, really lovely set. So that's another set. Then there is this set which is called Geared Up Garage. It's part of the Classic Garage suite. So there's matching DSP in there, patterned paper. So there's these lovely stamps, and then there are these amazing dies. And you can see there are lots and lots of cogs here. So some of these cut out the stamped images, but then you've got all these cogs which are just brilliant, and they're going to be great for embellishing all sorts of things. So that is another fabulous thing. Then what else have I got? Oh yes, it's very small, but I'm very excited about this. This is Old Olive linen thread. Now I use linen thread on loads of projects all the time, but this is Old Olive, so that's really pretty. And some rhinestones, because, you know, we always need rhinestones. When you join Stampin' Up, you do need to pick a team leader, and that's a really important decision, because your team leader is somebody that you're going to work with quite closely over the years. Now, I would love to talk to you about how you can join my team. So drop me an email, amanda@inspiringinkin.com, or pop over to my blog, www.inspiringinkin.com, and send me a message. On my website, you'll find some frequently asked questions and all sorts of information about joining my team. But I am more than happy to answer all of your questions. So do get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.